Picture this for a second. You ask your friend what their favorite song is, and you're expecting something like Travis Scott or Lil Baby or whatever, a rap song or something like that. But they tell you Billie Eilish, which is completely surprising because Billie Eilish is exactly opposite of what you would expect from that kind of friend. Billie Eilish is more sad, slow pace, that kind of artist. So now you ask your friend what is a song that they listen to when they're in the gym, and now they give you a completely different song, a song that motivates them, or a song that pumps them up and makes them feel incredibly powerful and things like that. So that is exactly the kind of song you were expecting them from beforehand. And a similar kind of thing happened to me a few days ago when I asked my friend a question and they didn't really give me the answer that I was expecting, or they didn't really give me the answer that answered my question, right? And I changed the question and they helped and they understood it better and then they gave me a response. So this made me realize that just like ChatGPT, where your input very much affects the output, humans are exactly the same in that regard. And you shouldn't really, expect everybody to understand what exactly you mean, even though no matter like how clearly you said it or how clear you think you said it, because you have to tell it in a way that the other person understands, and that is what will affect their answer. So ChatGPT is very much the same. Like for example, if you ask ChatGPT to get you the best workout video of all time, ChatGPT will most likely look at metrics like the best views, the best likes, and give you a video like that. But the video you were looking for is the best workout video for yourself. And you might be a beginner. So the best workout video which has the most views might not be suited for beginners, and otherwise it won't be the best video for you. So that's the difference that you have to make, is that just like this example of the best workout video, you have to articulate yourself in a way that the other person understands. Just like for the machine, if you ask ChatGPT that I'm a beginner, like this is the entire context, I'm a beginner, I haven't worked out ever in my life, and I need a video that gets me working out at my home. And now you have given it the context and now you give it the response, so it will be very much similar to what you're looking for. And that is pretty much the case with humans as well, that you have to articulate your question in a way that makes them understand of what you want to know. And that is not an easy task as well, because you have to be excellent in communication, first of all, to articulate yourself whatever you're thinking. That's step one. And the other step is that you have to know how would that person perceive that. So it's a lot more complicated than it seems like, but it was just a like interesting observation that I had, that there's a similarity between humans and AI, which I didn't really care about, or I didn't really know about beforehand. And that really helped me in two ways. One is that I was really able to have better relationships with people in general, like your parents, friends, and all those kind of people, because once you understand this thing, it opens up a lot more comfort and a lot more ways that you can communicate with the other person, and helps you understand them better. And the other thing is, like, it is kind of a sales thing as well. Like if you're into sales and you want to sell something to someone or convince someone of your argument, it works both ways. In that case, it is also very useful because you'll know exactly what to say or what to ask to get the other person to give an answer that you're looking for, and you can then use that to support your argument or get the person to buy whatever you're selling. So this is useful in those two ways, and this is something like I don't think anybody else is talking about, and it could really be like, it's kind of an interesting fact. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you later.